It's early in the morning, guys. It's 5:20, and I'm now leaving Southland Inn. I'll go to Central Mindanao University. I'll be meeting someone there. He's the nephew or the niece of the wife of my husband's cousin. So it's a bit complicated explanation, but that's what it is. I'll be meeting him there. We will both enroll to the short course dairy management. So let's get going. I think this ride is just less than 30 minutes going to Central Mindanao in Maramang, Bukidnon. This is such a nice road. I like this place here. I didn't expect that there are road stunts in here, so this is for driver's safety. So yeah, let's get going. Let's rock and roll. Alright, so here I am now in the Central Mindanao University. Where should I go? Let me ask first. I think I can park here. Oh, there's a guard inside. So here. I'll stop taking video from here because I'm not sure if I'm allowed to do it inside. I'll just keep you updated, guys. Bye.
So just an update, guys. First thing, I was able to pass the evaluation and got an admission slip. Second is I was trying to pay to the cashier, however it's already cut off, so I wasn't able to complete the process today. So I'll be going back on Monday to finish the process and then hopefully get myself fully enrolled in the short course dairy production and management. So yeah, I think that's all about for today, and I'm now heading back to Cagayan de Oro City. I'm currently in Valencia, Bukidnon, and it'll be less than 3 hours of travel back home. So yeah, see you on the next video, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please make sure to like and follow and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.